Welcome back to Market Pros, and let's get right into it. So we have Atlas here. First thing I notice is we are still operating on higher highs, higher lows. We did get back above this high. Very good sign. Yeah, so we could come back down to the 21 and this VPVR support, which no problem. We could come all the way back down to the point of control on the VPVR and this 50 at 0.0270. This 21 comes in at 0.0274. So volume, negative volume seems to be increasing. I mean, you have a pullback, come to expected. We did have good volume on this last little pump though. So, and that volume is higher than the negative volume. So, good sign. This could just be a corrective move. Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down to the 21. Could be happening right now. Volatility's high. MACD. So it's curling back over, but it's either going to be a test of the signal line, and we also test the 21, or it is going to be a breakage, and I think we come back down to the 50, possibly for a second, and then that MACD line curl back over. But we shall see. RSI below the signal line. We were in the bearish bullish control zone there for a second. We have gotten back out of it, which is kind of to be expected. We didn't get too deep in it, so like I said, I think we're going to come back down to the 21, possibly the 50, and then we'll come back to it. We're just going to be on the 1 hour today because not much has changed. So moving on to Polis. All right, we're here on Polis. We are getting some support on the 21. Honestly, it looks like we might break it. We're either going to get the reversal from here or we're going to break it and come back down to the 50, which would also correspond with us coming down to the 21 on Atlas. Seems like these coins are kind of moving together, which would make sense because they are both tokens of the Star Atlas metaverse game. RSIs in the neutral median zone. We are far below the signal line. Which, I mean, we got a pretty nice dump here. We were in the overbought region, slashed right through the bullish control zone. Volatility's high, MACD, fresh cross to the downside. Okay, this is looking like it's at least coming down to the 50, which would be a higher low. So this one kind of going to have to come back to it because we need to see if this 50 holds. If the 50 holds at 173, we're still in good shape. If we do fall back below this last low at 170, first stop would be the 100. Honestly, I think you would find good support. Your next bounce would be, actually, I think you would get the reversal at the 200 at 157, which is also this big line of support right here. So we'll have to come back to that. Because we need to find out whether this 50 holds or not. So we'll come back to that tomorrow. Those are my thoughts. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.